Informed guessing. Boost your SAT score. Hey learners! Today, we're diving into a key strategy to help you improve your SAT scores: informed guessing. Instead of taking wild shots in the dark, let's look at how to make educated guesses that increase your chances of success. It's important to note that the SAT doesn't penalize you for incorrect answers as it used to. This means every question you leave blank is a lost opportunity. Remember, right answers add to your score. Wrong answers, no penalty. Skipped questions, no gain or loss. Often, the question itself provides hints. Look out for specific qualifiers like always or never. Extreme statements are frequently wrong. Vocabulary in context. If an answer choice uses a term differently than how it's generally used in the question, it's probably incorrect. Consistent themes. If 3 of the 4 choices discuss a particular topic and one doesn't, the outlier might be wrong. One of the best strategies is to eliminate what you know is wrong. If you can confidently eliminate even one option, your odds of guessing right improve. Look for contradictions or inconsistencies. Remove answers that are almost identical. They can't both be right. If you're unsure about multiple questions in a row, avoid guessing the same letter consecutively too many times. While there's no hard rule, the test typically avoids long strings of the same answer choice. If an answer feels right based on your initial reading or understanding, go with it unless you find clear evidence to the contrary. Overthinking can lead you astray. Remember, it's better to guess and move on if you're stuck rather than spend too much time on one question. The goal is to answer as many questions as possible. Pace yourself. Informed guessing is all about leveraging what you know, and using smart strategies to increase your chances when you're unsure. Remember, every shot you don't take is a missed opportunity on the SAT. We hope these strategies empower you to make the best of every question. Happy studying and best of luck!